Sabay-sabay po tayong bumilang. In 3, 2, 1. Ganap na hapon namin saan ang Manila COVID-19 Field Hospital. Mabilis na kayo.
So ito po yung bagong gawang field hospital na COVID field hospital. Dito po yan sa may Luneta, mga kababayan. Mail donning. Okay, ikot tayo. Tapos na ako mag-live. Re-record na lang ako. Ang lawak po. So,
well, ito ay may 344 COVID-19 bed capacity. And there is a dormitory for male medical frontliners and one wing, and female medical frontliners separate. May admin office, may communication office, Wi-Fi, embedded na oxygen system. As you can see, walang tangke sa loob because may accident kasi nangyayari pag tangke. So naka-embed siya. And there's Wi-Fi, there's intercom, each patient. And every wing, terms of floor, may paliguan, may banyo. Tapos, doon naman sa medical frontliners wing or dormitory, merong lounge, merong paliguan, cabinet, doping, donning, antibacterial storing, and television for the patient and medical frontliners. Ano nga, sabi nga, para ka nag-attend for 14 days. That's very fair. We wanted to make them comfortable as much as possible. And I'm very grateful. And let me take this opportunity to thank again 362 Filipino construction workers, Filipino architects, Filipino engineers. This is 100% made by Filipino in a sustainable, recyclable container. 148 container.
140 folder.
Yes. And another facility is redundancy in electricity. course, we have emergency light, but we are connected to Meralco. But we have 1 MVA or 1,000 kVA na generator. Tapos meron kaming APS, automatic power system. Within 15 seconds, magkikit din yung kuryente. So, ano pa? Yeah, please.
344 tapos nabanggit kami ng 15 days tapos siya sa awa ng Diyos.
Kaya nga, 60 days ang target natin, and 52 days na dali. That's why I'm very thankful to, alam mo yung kahit gabi, nag-welding ka, daling araw, construction ka. So, we owe it to them. Oh, that's a good question. Good observation. About 200 medical frontliners, including non-medical admin personnel. On top of that, a few dozen of yung cleaner, yung nag-maintenance. And yung tawag yan, mga sentro, tas guardia. 2,000 yung pala, isa pa. 72,000 liters of 72,000 wastewater na nakalubog sa ilalim ng lupa underneath.
Yung 200 plus na medical and non-medical frontliners, this will all come from Manila Health Department.
No, newly hired. 80% of them are newly hired. 20% of them were utilized from Manila Health Department.
Tapos, Mayor, 300 plus na ito ay mildly moderate COVID-19.
Yes, we can do the asymptomatic in a good weather. Kasi imbes na mainit, total COVID din naman sila, pwede sila sa dulo. But we can do mild and moderate. And later on, if we need more ICU, because of the redundancy and preparedness of the facility, all we need to do is to buy more machine, and we can convert one straight wing as an ICU for severe and critical. But that is the latter part. Why? Kasi meron pa naman tayong ICU at saka severe at saka critical na facility sa ating na hospital. Na i-develop din natin, daribigan natin ng mga makina. So ang pangarap natin maging COVID-free, COVID-19-free yung hospital para bumalik na yung tao na magpa-check up. Kasi hindi naman number 1 sa death toll yung COVID number 4 pa rin siya. Yung mga sakit na dati pa, yun ang pumapatay pa rin sa tao. Kasi takot pumunta magpa-check up ng tao. Dahil nga may COVID sa hospital So if they will hear that some of our hospital is COVID-free because hinigup namin sila dito at nakakonsentrate na lang COVID dito, dadaan ang takbo ng hospital. Ay kahapon nasa 26% ang hospital natin and 8% ang ating occupancy rate naman sa quarantine facility.
Yung 26% is this increasing, Mayor?
No, it's the other way around. Remember, during March, umabot kami ng 84%. Grabe. Nakaka-nervyos. Kasi pag wala ka naman paglalagakan, sa kalsada na lang yan. So, hopefully, huwag naman gano'n, pero at least we have, huwag naman India. Huwag naman India sa Susu. But this can feature the good numbers of patients.
Mayor, with the threat of the downtown area, ano sa mga kagawin?
Ay, malaki. Kasi mabibigyan natin ng ample care and proper care yung mga posibleng pagka-infection. Kaya, para may mga kalaban tayo, may mga kapitay sa laban natin sa Delta variant, get vaccinated.
Meron na po ba, Mayor, expected na
Tomorrow, we're expecting about a few dozen tomorrow that will be transferred here. Kaya that's it for us today. Hindi na natin makikita ito ulit. Maybe the last time na makikita, the next time makikita natin ito, wala nang pati. Yes, and our quarantine facility.
Nilipat siya.
Yes, para mas komportable kasi sa loob pwede ka mag-jacket. Yan ang jacket niya.
Last na lang ngayon. Pwede mo po i-describe ano na yung sitwasyon ng mga hospital ngayon sa Bengal?
In terms of occupancy rate, with regard to COVID-19, so far, controllable.
Nakapunta kami folks sa official Facebook mananawagan kayo sa mga umaalis sa pila then bumabalik pa.
Hindi, yun naman para kasi hindi na magkalituan. Kasi minsan nangyayari, siya tamang ginala. Ito nakita, sumingit. Pero hindi niya alam, ito nakapila kaninang umaga. Siguro may binili, may aberya o may ano, bumalik lang siya. So it doesn't mean siningitan siya. I mean, kaya sabi ko siya maraming confusion sa mga at kung magpapatulan talaga natin lang, wala tayong matatapos. Kaya ulit, manawagan ko, pasensya, pagkakaunawaan, pagkakaisa. At the end of the day, good news, Happy Manila Day, and we have 400,000 doses of vaccine.
Mayor, yung kumating kanina yung sinalubong sa airport,
Binili natin. Tama ka. Binili natin to ng City of Manila, pera ng Siyudad ng Manila, on top of our 800,000 for September.
Ay, ito pala yun. Kung paano ginawa? Gusto niyo dito na lang kayo? Stay in? Gusto niya?
Ano pa ito tayo? Ang ganda, no? Ang dami sa saan talaga pasok, oh. Tingnan mo,